In this question, we introduce with the idea of IFA swimming around 6 points. Okay, let's see what we have to do here. And we have different information given to us in the question. So here we are pointed out to the size of the angle ABC, which is this one here, is 110. So therefore, we have to work out the area, correct to the nearest meter, of the triangle ABC, that is the area of the shaded region in the diagram. So how do we calculate area of a triangle or any shape? Well, we go to the table and we find appropriate formula. So where we go to the table, and when it comes to the triangle, we have a choice of different formulas. There is 3 of them. And just since we are talking about area of the triangle, let's not forget that there is a different formula for coordinate geometry, isn't it? And that's where we have formulas for coordinate geometry page. So let's consider when you have a choice of formula, which formula do you choose? Well, the one you have information for. So the first formula, that is a half, that's fine, that's a number, multiplied by a. What is a? Here you can see it is a side, and multiplied by h, which is the height dropped on that side. So in our case, we do have some sides, but we don't have a height dropped at any of them. So could we find it? Maybe, but let's see another formula. Then we have the next formula. So this formula is a half, that's fine. A, so one side multiplied by B, that's a second side, and multiply by sin of C, and that angle C is where between those two sides. So I'm saying, okay, well, that's actually what we have. I have a length of one side, I have a length of another side, and then I have an angle in between them. So this is the formula that I can use without doing any further work. So in this case, that is a half multiply. Now, which side is A, which side is B? It doesn't matter because I'm multiplying them anyway. So it doesn't matter which will be A or B. So multiply, let's say, by 200 being our A, and then B being 150, and then multiply by sin of an angle, and our angle is 110. And we put all of that in the calculator, we press equal, and we get 14,095.38931. Now the terms and condition, nearest meter, so 3 gets cut off, but because it's less than 5, we just leave the number as it is. And let's not forget the measurement, which in this case are meters squared.